Well guys, I'm up here, I believe I'm on deck 19. I'll show you around in just a second, but I'm gonna go across this net thing. I'm Adventure Trails, I guess is what it's called. There's the guidelines. Let me kind of look out over and I'll show you where I'm at. That's how high I am. That's Coxon Hole, Rotan, Honduras, and that's the water slide. Let's just walk across this thing. There's the, I believe, Pirate Cove. I don't know, kiddie pool down there. Well, that one was pretty easy. This one might not be quite as easy, especially if you fall. What it looks like down there. Not as easy as it looks trying to film with one hand and hold on with the other. Well, I made it through that one. Comes a little girl through, so I'll wait a little minute and let her get through. Kind of let you see where we're at. We're pretty high up. I can see the pool down there. All right, here we go through this one. There's the water slide. Well, I'll get back over here and I'll show you where I came from. There's what it looks like from this side. Well guys, if you're up here on deck 19, you want to go across this net bridge, I don't even know what it's called. Come up here on 19 and give it a try. If you enjoyed it, hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy cruising.